We are here at Winterfest training Maryland EMS clinicians in kind of the vital skills that they need to have to be able to recognize and immediately provide life-saving care for kids that are in critical condition. We come out with these pre-conference opportunities where we can bring high-intensity skills to the clinicians and put them through these simulations. We have all kinds of equipment to play with. If you can't get to a conference, we also want to take this information and these skill stations to you. So we have 30 or more pediatric champions, EMS clinicians that are members of every jurisdiction throughout the state. And we have them trained up on these same skill stations and are rolling out all of our simulations, all of our skill stations, so they can bring them into the firehouses and the community centers and train people locally as well.